Hey there, welcome to How to Browser. Today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to walk you through the process of how to add a new domain in Hostinger. So yeah, if you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Maybe you just purchase a new domain and you're looking to connect to one from another provider. So I'm gonna show you in this video exactly what you need to do. So let's log in. And then what I'm gonna do here is to go to domains, and here we have the domains that you bought from Hostinger, and here you have websites, and you can click on here, add one, and here you can see migrate to website, and I'll paste this one that I've got from Namecheap, and then here I'm gonna select registered at another provider, and I'm gonna click on next. And then here it's gonna take some minutes. Here we're just gonna wait a couple of, not minutes, seconds. Shouldn't take that much time. And I'll pause the video. And now from here, we can paste the website link, but the problem here I've actually encountered, you're gonna have to actually add the panel login, which I don't want. So what I do here, I just leave this. And when I'm doing that, it's gonna just show me that I have this new domain added, but it's not connected. So I'll just click on connect here, and then it's just gonna load this part. And here I'll select the provider, and let's see if I have here Namecheap, which I don't see. I'm gonna click other, and here you can see that actually they detected that is actually they didn't, but here I'm just gonna have to change to the Hostinger name servers. So just log in your domain's host account. Okay, so I logged in, and now you just need to copy this and paste this here to name servers, and already paste them. And once you paste those here, make sure you also in sharing and transfer. Right over here, you have this unlocked. It depends on what kind of provider you have. And now once you add those here, you can click on continue. Now I can click on dashboard right over here. Now we have the file manager, database, auto installer. So I can click on here and install WordPress. So I can click on here and install WordPress. But yeah, if you want to add another, now I can click on add website. I can create a new website, or I can migrate a website. Click on that. What's the name of the website you want to migrate? So now here you can enter a different